Are you ready to unlock the secret to irresistible attraction? Picture this. You're in the bedroom, the lights are low, and the chemistry is off the charts. But wait, what if you could elevate that connection to a level that leaves her utterly hooked? Let's dive right into the 7 intense moves that can make any woman addicted to you. Trust me, you'll want to stick around for all of them. These aren't just your run-of-the-mill tips. We're talking about strategies that have been tested, tried, and proven to work wonders. Number 1. The power of eye contact. First up is the power of eye contact. It's not just a glance, it's a magnetic force that draws her in. When you lock eyes, you're not merely looking at her, you're creating a connection that speaks volumes without uttering a single word. Want to know the trick? Hold her gaze just a second longer than usual. This subtle shift can spark an emotional response that makes her feel seen and appreciated. The heart races and the smile widens, as if you've cast a spell of attraction. But be mindful. Maintain a comfortable intensity. Too much can feel overwhelming. It's about balance. The right amount of eye contact increases intimacy and trust, making her feel safe and cherished in your presence. Consider this. When you're in a crowded room, the world fades away, and it's just the two of you locked in that gaze. That shared moment creates a bubble of intimacy, amplifying the feelings between you. You're not just looking, you're connecting on a deeper level, igniting a passion that can lead to an unforgettable experience. And here's another tip. Pair your eye contact with a warm smile. It enhances the connection and makes you appear more approachable. When your eyes sparkle with genuine interest, it draws her in even closer, making her feel an irresistible pull towards you. Number 2, the magnetic pause. Now, let's introduce the magnetic pause. This move is all about timing and tension. When you're in the middle of a conversation, suddenly stop for a moment. Let the silence hang in the air. It creates anticipation, and before she knows it, she's hanging on to your every word. This pause can build an electric atmosphere that leaves her wanting more, increasing the emotional intensity of the moment. Picture this. You're sharing a story about something exciting that happened to you. When you hit the peak of the story, you pause. The suspense builds, and she's drawn closer, eager to hear what comes next. This technique transforms regular conversation into a captivating exchange, making every word you say feel significant. Here's a pro tip. Use the magnetic pause, not just in storytelling, but also in your responses. When she shares something personal, allow a moment of silence before you respond. This shows that you're genuinely processing her words and care about what she has to say. It deepens the connection and heightens her interest in the conversation. To amplify the effect, combine the pause with a change in tone. Lower your voice slightly, or speak just a bit slower after the pause. This creates an aura of mystery and intrigue, making her even more curious about what you'll say next. The combination of silence and a change in delivery can create a powerful moment that feels charged with emotion. Number 3, the whisper of secrets. Next, let's talk about whispers. No, I'm not talking about gossiping about the latest drama. I'm talking about intimate whispers that create a sense of closeness. Lean in, lower your voice, and share a secret. This isn't just about what you say, it's about the moment. The thrill of sharing something personal creates intimacy, making her feel special and cherished. Whether it's a playful secret or a vulnerable admission, this intimacy works wonders. Imagine whispering something like, "I've never felt this way with anyone before." It's bold and it's real. It's like weaving a spell that makes her crave more of your company, creating an emotional bond that lingers long after the moment has passed. You can also flip the script. Ask her to share one of her secrets. This not only deepens the intimacy, but also shows that you value her thoughts and feelings. The act of sharing secrets can be incredibly intimate, fostering a sense of trust that can lead to more passionate moments together. Additionally, try to create an atmosphere of intimacy. Dim the lights or find a quiet, cozy corner where you can talk privately. The environment plays a crucial role. The more intimate the setting, the more she'll feel compelled to open up and share. Number 4, the art of touch. Moving on to touch, it's a powerful language all on its own. A light brush of your fingers against her arm or a gentle stroke of her hair can evoke feelings that words simply cannot. But here's the catch. It's all about being mindful. Pay attention to her reactions. If she leans into your touch, you're on the right track. This creates a dance of attraction where every touch communicates desire and affection. Explore the different types of touch: soft, playful, and even a little teasing. The key is to establish a rhythm that feels natural. Touch is not just about physicality, it's about conveying emotion and connection, creating a symphony of intimacy that resonates deeply. Consider this scenario. You're watching a movie together. As the tension builds in the film, you gently place your hand on her knee. It's a subtle move, but it sends a clear message. You're engaged, present, and ready to connect. That simple touch can escalate into a more passionate embrace, creating a moment that feels electric. And don't forget to mix it up. Try varying your touch from gentle caresses to more playful pokes or even a light tickle. This keeps the energy alive and allows her to respond in ways that can heighten the excitement between you. Variety is key. Each different touch can evoke a unique emotion, keeping her on her toes and wanting more. Number 5, the compliment game. Compliments. But we're not talking about generic "you look nice" remarks. We're diving deeper. Compliments that highlight specific traits or achievements show that you truly see her. Imagine telling her, "The way you handled that situation was incredible." This type of compliment not only boosts her confidence, but makes her associate those positive feelings with you. Delve into her passions and interests. Compliment her intelligence, her creativity, or her humor. It's all about being sincere and specific. The more tailored the compliment, the more impactful it becomes. She'll feel recognized and valued, creating a deep emotional connection that keeps her coming back for more. You can also make it playful. Instead of a straightforward compliment, turn it into a light-hearted challenge. Say something like, "You're so good at this. I need to step up my game." This not only compliments her, but also creates a fun, competitive atmosphere that can lead to laughter and bonding. Furthermore, timing is crucial for compliments. Choose moments when she's feeling her best or has just accomplished something significant. The right compliment at the right time can create an unforgettable moment, solidifying your place in her heart. Number 6, the adventure element. Who doesn't love a little adventure? Introducing an element of spontaneity can be a game changer. Whether it's a surprise date night or an impromptu trip to a nearby city, shaking things up keeps the excitement alive. Here's the trick: frame it as an adventure. Use phrases like, "Let's do something we've never done before." This not only excites her, but also creates shared memories that deepen your connection. Adventure doesn't always have to be extravagant. It could be a simple hike, a cooking class, or even trying a new cuisine. The key is to create moments filled with joy, laughter, and discovery. These experiences become cherished memories, making her associate those feelings of excitement and happiness with you. Think about the stories you'll create together. Imagine cooking a new recipe together, and it hilariously goes wrong, leading to laughter and a spontaneous pizza order. These small adventures can create bonds that last a lifetime, reminding her of the joy you bring into her life. Moreover, consider incorporating a sense of mystery. When planning an adventure, keep some details under wraps to build anticipation. For instance, tell her to dress for the occasion without revealing the destination. This mysterious element adds an extra layer of excitement, making the adventure feel even more special and unforgettable. Number 7. The deep dive conversation. Finally, let's talk about deep conversations. While chit-chat has its place, diving into deeper topics can set you apart. Ask her about her dreams, fears, and passions. This isn't just idle talk, it's about creating a safe space for vulnerability. When she opens up, it creates an emotional intimacy that can be incredibly addictive. She'll start to crave these conversations, linking them to the strong bond you're building. Encourage her to share her thoughts and feelings. Ask open-ended questions that invite her to explore her inner world. For instance, instead of asking, "Did you have fun at work?" try, "What's something at work that you're really passionate about?" This invites her to share more deeply and gives you insight into her values and aspirations. You can also share your own vulnerabilities. When you're honest about your fears or dreams, it creates a reciprocal space where she feels safe to share hers. This mutual vulnerability strengthens the emotional bond, making her feel like you're partners on this journey of life together. And don't shy away from the tough topics. Discussing challenges or fears can lead to powerful moments of connection. When she sees that you're willing to be vulnerable, it encourages her to do the same, deepening the trust between you. Plus, make sure to listen actively, nod, maintain eye contact, and respond thoughtfully. This shows that you're genuinely interested in what she has to say, and it reinforces the connection. When she feels heard, it cultivates a sense of belonging and intimacy that can be profoundly attractive. Now that you've got the tools to make her addicted to you, remember, it's all about connection, intimacy, and fun. These moves are not just techniques. They're pathways to building a lasting attraction. So, what are you waiting for? Go out there and put these intense moves into action and watch as she becomes captivated by your charm.